Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank online banking account. So firstly, open a web browser. Now on the search bar, we are going to type in the official website URL of Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. After you enter the URL, you will be directly led to the official website of Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. Now on the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on that. Now you'll have to choose if you want to log in through personal banking, e-trading, EDIB Direct or EDIB Wealth. Here I'll be choosing personal banking. Here, if you're new to EDIB banking, you can click on register to new EDIB internet banking. But since we're going to log in, I'm going to click on already registered. Now, in order to log in, type in your username and just below that, type in your password. If you've forgotten either of your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password button. But if not, after entering all your credentials, tap on the Login button and then you'll be logged into your Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank online banking account. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.